Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Chantel and I'm back with another banger video. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Chantel. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications. If you are a returning viewer, thank you for coming back. Hope to see more of you. I don't know if you noticed, but I'm a little bit like bare. Today's video is going to be a get ready with me slash how to take fire pictures, because you guys are like always asking me how do I look so photogenic, how do I take my pictures and things like that, and I thought that I'll just make a video and show you guys how I take my pictures. So let's get into the video. So as I'm getting ready, I'm just going to be giving you guys tips on how to get like a really good picture and like some tips on like how I get ready and how I look good, whatever. First things first, I hold my hair back. Well, normally I actually wear a bonnet, but whatever. So yeah, yes, that's the first thing. And so as you've noticed, I have like I'm reacting to something and I'm like having serious breakouts. So the first thing that I do is go in with my antifungal cream. Yes, it has like almost given out on me, but whatever, it's going. So the first thing you want to do when you are taking pictures is make sure you get good lighting. As we all know, good lighting is very important. Like if you don't have good lighting in your pictures, there's no way anybody can be able to see you or be able to see what you are taking a picture of. So that's the first thing, you need to get in good lighting. Maybe you can like get a ring light or something. I use 2 ring lights for my picture taking. That's when I'm not taking my pictures outside. I use 2 ring lights and I'll show you guys that later. The next thing you want to do is figure out what you want to wear. Like I don't know, I like to do aesthetics. Let me get some screen this. Or I could just and I like to go to Pinterest and just search like outfits, and a bunch of outfits will just pop up, and whichever one speaks to me the most I try and match. For example, like what I'm going to wear to show you guys how to take pictures is an aesthetic vibe. I don't really know how to explain it, but it was gotten from Pinterest, and so were many of my other Instagram posts. So you need to figure out what you want to wear, and the type of vibe you want to give out. If you're going for like cool or soft or relaxed or baggy or whatever, you just need to figure that out. After you figured out your outfits, next thing you want to do is get ready, like I am doing right now. And I wanted to do eyeliner, but and now my eyes are red. Whatever, we're going to try it again. Anyways, after you get ready, you want to figure out where you are going to take your pictures, whether it's indoor or outdoor. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to take pictures indoors. Well, I finally got the eyeliner. By the time I cut crease and do all of that, it will look better. Anyways, next thing you want to do when you're taking your pictures indoor is to figure out where you want to take your pictures. Yeah, you do not want to use somewhere that is too busy, and you do not want to use somewhere that's like is poorly lit. As I said earlier, lighting really matters. You do not want to use somewhere that, like, for example, your kitchen. You do not want to use a kitchen because like people are cooking there and stuff. Maybe you want to use your bedroom, like your curtain, not my curtain because like my curtain is not exactly clean, but whatever. Maybe you want to use your curtain or a blank wall. I prefer to use a blank wall when I'm taking pictures indoor, and I'll show you guys where that blank wall is as soon as I'm done. But whatever, you want to figure out where you want to take your pictures. Yeah, now the next thing is setup. You want to set up your lighting and everything before you get dressed, right? Before you actually get ready and do your makeup and whatever. Well, I did not set up my lighting and everything because I'm already so good at it, and I know I won't ruin my makeup when I'm setting up. But my point is that if you're not really good at setting up, you want to set up first before you get ready. Now, before you set up, another thing you want to do is get a good camera, right? You can use an actual camera, and you can also use your phone. If you're using an iPhone, and even if you are using an Android, you can still use your phone. All that matters is good lighting. For example, I'm using an Android. That's actually what I am using to film right now. It's Techno T-Spark 9, Techno Spark T9, whatever. That's what I'm using to film right now. So you can still use an Android to take your pictures. All that matters is the lighting. Now, some extra tips. If you are going with a bright background, do not also wear something bright, because it will like reflect basically, and then your shirt or whatever you are wearing will blend in with the background and you won't stand out. So you want to wear something dark, and if you're using a light background, you want to wear something dark, and vice versa. Also, how I take my pictures alone, I have a tripod. So, well, if you get a ring light, most of the time it comes with a tripod. But if you do not want to get a ring light, you can just get a tripod. Well, I don't actually know where I got mine from. It was a gift. So, yeah. But you can actually go to like phone accessory stores and get a tripod. Like, maybe you want to start off with like 12 inches. I think it's about 8,000 naira. So you can just get that and just start off with that. Yeah. Okay, another thing, self-timer is your best friend. Like, especially if you're taking your pictures alone, self-timer is your best friend. I use 3 seconds depending on how far away from my like camera I am going to get. I usually use 3 seconds, but if I'm going to be farther, I use 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Anyways, but my point is that get used to like self-timer, and you might want to decide your pose before the timer is done, so that your pictures do not end up looking somehow. Now, another way that like people take their pictures is to actually video themselves, and then they would like do different styles, and when they are done like with the video, they'll just like take screenshots like of their poses, and that's what forms their pictures. I've never actually tried that before, and yeah, I don't think I want to, but if it works for you, you can try that. Yeah, so now that I'm done with the hair and makeup and whatever, I am going to get dressed and show you guys how I set up to take my pictures. So they literally took lights when I finished that last video, so I had to tell them to turn on the generator because, you know, light issues or whatever. Anyways, this is the blank wall that I was talking about. It goes as far from here to here, and there's like a window here, so there's light coming to like me on here. So I'll just show you guys how I set up my lighting. One of my ring lights is broken, and it didn't come with a tripod actually, but then I already had this tripod, and before the ring light broke, I could like put it on, and so it will look like this, and I'll just put my phone in here and take my pictures, edit my videos or whatever. It has 3 lights. This is it turned on. It has 3 lights. One, the warm lights, white lights, and natural lights. So personally, I like going with the warm lights because it makes my skin look really good. So I'm just going to show you guys how I set up my like place. I'm done setting up, and I opened the door of the toilet so that I have a lot more space with my blank wall, and this is what it looks like now. So depending on how far I want it, I'm going to like move my tripod and my ring light backwards, but I don't really want a full picture, so it's going to be closer. This is the distance between the wall and the tripod. And so after taking your pictures, the next thing you want to do is edit. I'm not really a huge fan of editing my pictures, but if you like to edit your pictures, I have some apps that I use and I will leave them in the description box below, and you can just play around with it, play around with your styles. Do not be confined to only one style. In the next video I will show you guys how to take pictures outdoors. This is just indoors. So we've come to the end of the video. Please make sure you subscribe. If you've come this far, why have you not subscribed yet? Please make sure you subscribe, turn on your post notifications, give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to follow all my socials. They will be in the description box down below. And also check my Instagram for pictures. I just check out my Instagram for them. Save this post for later, I guess. Well, I hope to see you guys next time. Thank you for staying to the end. Love you. Bye.